Hi, this is Dr. Dean Kelaita, Calaveras County Health Officer, with a COVID-19 update for September 8th, 2020. Statewide, California has reported 740,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases with 13,700 fatalities. Calaveras Public Health has confirmed 273 cases with 2 deaths. Several other deaths are being investigated related to Avalon Skilled Nursing Facility in San Andreas. An outbreak of COVID-19 infections continues to develop at Avalon San Andreas after identification of an asymptomatic staff member working at the facility was picked up on routine surveillance testing on July 22nd. To date, 52 residents and 21 staff members have been confirmed positive through testing. This represents a significant elevation in the rate of COVID-19 infection and potential morbidity in our community, deaths and injuries in our community. Public Health is working with the facility to verify at least 6 individuals who've died as part of this outbreak. As of today, our official death count for Calaveras stands at 2 deaths. Public Health will release updated statistics as they become available. At this time, positive residents of Avalon are being temporarily placed in a dedicated COVID-19 unit so they can be isolated in the facility and prevent ongoing transmission. The facility's infection prevention staff's been working closely with our public health department and in consultation with the California Department of Public Health. They've dispatched a rapid response team from Sacramento to come and work with the facility and provide technical assistance. The facility is undergoing close surveillance for the prompt identification of any new cases in the residents and staff, and the infection prevention activities have been scaled up and will continue to aggressively look for new cases. There's currently 4 Calaveras County residents hospitalized. Local hospital capacity remains adequate and ventilator availability is at 100%. Governor Newsom unveiled Friday, August 28th, that the blueprint for a safer economy will replace the county data monitoring list for determining what businesses can or can't be open in California. So every county in California has been assigned a tier. This tier is a 3-week running tally based on our rate of infections and our percent positive rate of testing, and it'll be adjusted as we go. So once we're assigned in a tier, we can move up to a more aggressive tier if our rates worsen, and we can move down to a less restrictive tier if they get better. Calaveras County is currently in the substantial red tier, which means that starting Monday, August 31st, certain businesses were allowed to resume activities with modifications. Examples are dine-in restaurant services can resume at 25% maximum capacity. Likewise, movie theaters can open at 25% of their capacity. Hair salons, barber shops, personal services like tattoo, massage, cosmetology, they can open with modification. Gyms and fitness centers can open indoors with 10% of their normal capacity. So as we've discussed in weeks past, the best ways to avoid getting sick and getting the virus are to stay at least 6 feet away from people outside your household. Wash hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands, and wearing a face covering over your nose and mouth when around others. No-cost testing remains available at the Calaveras Fairgrounds OptumServe test site. That site is open Tuesday through Saturday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., and testing is now available for those down to age 3 and older. People are encouraged to register online. People without internet access can call 888-634-1123 to schedule a time to get tested. Visit our county website for a link on the test site. We need to remain cautious in how we move forward. To continue in a positive direction, the public is urged to continue to wear face masks, keep 6 feet apart, get tested, wash hands, and stay home if you're sick. You need to avoid gatherings of any significant number of persons outside of your household. There's no doubt that our current situation is further strengthened when we work together to help in the fight against COVID-19, to keep our businesses open, to allow kids to get back to school, and to keep this infection at bay until a vaccine becomes available, hopefully by early 2021. Further information will be released from the Public Health Department as it becomes available, including the final determination on some of the deaths related to the Avalon skilled nursing facility outbreak. Thank you for your support, and further information will be released when available.